It's not really long ago when everyone was talking about crypto. Cryptocurrencies were valued more than $3 trillion, I think, just 2 years ago. And now, if you look at them, there are just, I think, $582 billion, the whole market cap, and it is coming down too rapidly. No one knows what would happen with crypto. All the hype is gone, the bubble has burst. Same thing happened with dot-com bubble, and now we are living in a frenzy of artificial intelligence, especially the tooling around ChatGPT, Bard AI, and the list goes on and on. Everyone is talking about it. You will see a lot of AI guys, AI girls, and also a lot of influencers who are touting their own AI tooling. So the question arises, if AI is just another hype technology trend, well, I don't think so. And I would highly suggest you don't take AI just as a myth or hype and don't get left behind. Unlike the revolving door of much hype technologies over the past 5 years, AI is already proving to have an impact on many industries and will likely continue to do so in the future. AI is a disruptive technology that is already transforming businesses and industries by enabling automation, improving decision making, and unlocking new insights from the data. AI powered solutions are being used in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, and many other fields. And the use of AI application is only expected to grow. Beyond the potential benefits, there are also potential risks associated with AI, such as job displacement, bias, and privacy concerns. Even for those not in the technical field, AI can provide new job opportunities. Emerging roles like prompt engineer will become increasingly important, as the ability of the user to create a good prompt that is clear, concise, and easy to understand will be the thing to go. It should also be specific enough to elicit the desired output, but not too specific that it limits the creativity of the language model. Waiting out AI is not a practical or wise approach. Instead, individuals and businesses should stay informed about the latest developments in AI and explore potential applications in their field. Beyond career related benefits of AI, it can also improve your personal life by providing commute optimization, home automation, or even personal finance recommendation to help you save money. If you want to learn more about AI, please subscribe to the channel, as I will be posting more and more videos in the coming days. Thank you very much.